What you're going to do is you're going to put into your Internet Explorer or your Chrome this link that I'm putting in the chat box. You're going to click sign up with Google to link your Google account to my classroom. You're going to choose your Google account. And give me a second while I find, just so I can make this account. Okay. And it will load you into the class for Miss Watts's code HS. It says create a student account. Is this you? And then this is the class code. Finish account. And there you go. Okay. So this is the class, Cycle 1, Virtual School, 8th grade. You'll click on it and you'll start right along with the pretest. And this is kind of an answer the best you can. Once you finish the pretest, it will move you right along. If you look at your progress, it'll move you right along. There are 14 lessons in the web design one, each with different pieces, each with a video. I'll be posting tutorials in your folder of some of the lessons so that you can see if you get stuck what to do. But each lesson is interesting. It has a video. It has a quiz to check your understanding. So I don't need to go through those because those are simply watch, answer. But then it does something like, okay, I'm going to give you an example of coding. So after you've watched the video, you've taken a quiz on the topic that the video covers. It's now going to show you that this is our first HTML page. And it's going to teach you about HTML tags, which are the language that you write HTML code, the code of websites in. You can view the block for the H1 tag in the formatting section of the blocks simply by clicking on formatting section to see the H1 block. And then you'll have the H1 heading and you can play around with it. So explore the example. So this is in block code this time. So if you run the code, there's the H1 block, hello. You can change, just like they said, what the H1 block says. Maybe I wanted to say hi, and I click run the code. And now it says hi. Okay. I can go to formatting. I can do an H2 if I wanted. Oh, it's not letting you. Can't snap anything else into this example. Sorry, you can't. Oh, yeah, you can. That's right. Okay. So if you want to see the difference between like an H1 and an H6, I'm going to put the text in there just like that. And then this is hi. And then I click run. They won't let you. Interesting. So this one's just letting you put, I guess, the H1 in there, but you can play around with what the H1 says and so on and so forth. So that's lesson 1. Save, and then you move on. So then you go to the lesson. You want to create a web page that introduces yourself to the world. Be sure to use the H1 tag. For example, if your name was Carol, you might say, hello, my name is Carol. The H1 tag can be found in the green formatting section. So we click, yeah, let's go. And I'm going to type in my code. Okay. H1. Hi, my name is Miss Watts. I run it. There's my H1. Hello, my name is Miss Watts. So I can see that I did not do the lesson complete. So the expected result, hello, my name is Carol. I didn't type hello. So I need to change it because that was the instruction. Hello, my name is Miss Watts. Save. Check my code again. I have all green check marks, so Miss Watts will give me a full points. And I'm going to submit and continue. And it tells me, great job. I've done everything that I'm supposed to. Save and submit. And it should take me to the next lesson. Let's go. So let me just go back and look at my practice. So I can always click on my section to see where I'm at. As you can see, I didn't do the pretest, so I'm not finished with this. And I'm 2% finished with my web design lesson. So I can see I didn't do the 2 videos, but I did this. So I can keep seeing where I've finished the stuff that I need to finish. And I will know if I did them correct because I'll have checked them and ran my code. I want to make sure I'm completing all of my lessons and getting points for them. So I don't want to make sure I do anything that loses me points. Again, you can always go back to my section and you can see what you've scored on things by clicking. That's your lesson again. So you can look to what the colors mean. Assignment submitted, assignment started, assignment not open, pink assignment reviewed, submitted after reviewed, finalized. Those are the different colors. So I submitted that. I did that. I'm on the next video. I take a quiz. There'll be a lesson to read. I'm not, of course, watching the videos and taking the quizzes with you because that would be silly. So I'm going to explore the example. That comes first. Make sure you read these. Okay. It has the following HTML elements: head, title, and body. These are new tags we're learning. Okay. Play around with the code before you begin the lesson. Okay. So you're going to look at this template. I highly suggest taking it and copying it because you'll need it in the next assignment, and that way you don't have to go back. So I copied it. If you run it, you can see my page content goes here. If I click on CHTML in a new window, I can see that the title that it had in there was up here. See how it says title of your web page, and it's right there on that tab. So if I change this to, whoa, this is neat. My title, save it. I'm going to run the code. I'm going to refresh this page and look what happens. Whoa, this is neat becomes the title of my tab. So that's pretty cool. And then page content goes here. This is my website. Save. Refresh it out. This is my website. Wow. Super cool. So now that I've done the example, so that was my example, save it, continue. Here comes the actual assignment for 5 points. In this exercise, you'll practice using the title tag. The given HTML code displays hello world, but there's no title in the page. Your job is to add the title, welcome to the internet. If you click CHTML in a new window button, you should be able to see the title of the web page in the browser, just like we did before with whoa, this is neat, but we have to add the title, welcome to the internet. Okay, so let's go. Here we go. If I remember correctly, the title was in my header from the last section. So, welcome to the internet. Let's save it. Run the code. If I open it in a new window, on that tab should be welcome to the internet. And when I check my code, I get great, great, great. How fabulous. And I submit and continue. And that's exactly how this website works. It's going to have a video, a quiz, an example to play with, and then a lesson that you earn points for. So it's pretty much the same way. I will be posting tutorials in the day folders. They'll be in the individual day folders or in actually probably the week 5 folder. There will be a folder called tutorials, and I will number them according to the lessons. So possibly if you get stuck, there might be a tutorial that can help you. Otherwise, feel free to email me. But when you email me, make sure, for instance, you copy and paste exactly what it is you need help with, so that I know what lesson it is. Easy way to do that is to go here and say I'm on the web design section and it's lesson, 1.3 or it's lesson 1.4. And you can even open these up and see exactly what exercise you're working on. And that way you'll know exactly what I can help you with. Okay. Hope this helps. Have a great day.